Welcome back to Business English Desk, the podcast where we help you speak English more naturally, more confidently, and honestly, just more like a real person. I'm Laura.
And I'm Jamie. So glad you're here with us today. Seriously, wherever you're listening from, welcome.
Whether you're on your lunch break, doing the dishes, taking a walk, this episode is going to be really useful, like genuinely useful.
Not textbook useful, real life useful.
Exactly. And hey, before we jump in, if you're enjoying Business English Desk, hit that follow button, leave us a rating, share it with a friend. It takes 2 seconds and it means the world to us.
It really does. Okay, Laura, tell them what we're talking about today.
Okay, so today's topic, 3 little words: do, does, did.
3 words that English learners use every single day.
Every single day.
But so many people mix them up or freeze up when they're trying to choose the right one.
And by the end of this episode, that freezing up, gone.
Gone forever.
We're going to break down exactly what each word does, when to use it, and how to choose the right one without even thinking about it.
Without thinking, that's the goal.
That is always the goal. Okay, let's get into it. All right, let's start with the first one, do. Jamie, quick question. Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
See that? Did you notice how natural that was?
It just came out. I didn't think about it at all.
And that, right there, is the whole goal of this episode. Because in real life, native speakers don't stop and think, oh, wait, which auxiliary verb do I need here?
Nobody does that. Nobody.
They just speak. So let's talk about do. Do is simple. Do is friendly. Do is the one we use for everyday life, habits, things that are generally true. Like, do you wake up early? Do you watch a lot of YouTube?
Do you drink coffee every morning? Very relatable.
Very relatable for both of us. And here's the thing. A lot of learners know how to answer yes or no, but they don't include that little do. They say something like, yes, I like, or no, I not.
But we understand what you mean. But
it doesn't sound natural. In real English, we say, yes, I do. No, I don't. That small word makes a huge difference.
it's like the difference between okay and really good.
Exactly. Okay, picture this. You've just moved to a new city, new country maybe. You walk into a store, you're a little nervous, and the cashier smiles and says, "Do you need a bag?"
Ooh, that moment.
And you just say, calmly, "Yes, I do. Thank you." That's it. No complicated grammar, just the right feeling.
Just the right feeling. But here's something that even more advanced learners don't always know. You can use do to show emotion, to add emphasis.
Ooh, like what? Like, I do want to improve my English.
Whoa, that hits different.
Right? It sounds strong, confident, like you really mean it.
Not just I want to improve, but I do want to improve.
There's so much more conviction in that. Try it. Think of something you really want and put do in there.
I do love this podcast.
Aw, see? So much conviction.
Okay, so we've got do down. Now let's talk about does.
Ah, yes, does. Okay, so no fear here. Does is literally just do, but for one other person, a third person.
He, she, it.
He, she, it. So, do you like coffee? That's you. Does Jamie like coffee? That's him.
And the answer is yes. Yes, he does.
Good to know. Okay, let's build a little story. There's a guy named Alex. Alex works in an office. He starts at 9 a.m. He drinks way too much coffee.
Classic Alex.
Classic. So we'd ask, does Alex work in an office? Yes, he does. Does he start at 10? No, he doesn't. He starts at 9.
See how it flows? Same pattern as do, just switched for he or she.
Exactly. And here's a mistake I hear all the time. Does he likes his job?
Ooh, yeah, very common.
But in natural English, it's does he like his job? No S on the verb.
Because does already carries the S. You don't need it twice.
You don't need it twice. One is enough. Think of it like you already paid the bill. You don't pay it again.
I love that. Does already paid.
Does handled it. And honestly, once you feel that pattern, it just clicks. Like, does she live nearby? Sounds so natural, so polite.
Way better than overthinking it.
Way better. Beat. Okay, now here comes the one that makes a lot of learners nervous. Did. Okay, did. Don't be scared. I know a lot of people freeze up when they hear did, but honestly, it's so straightforward once you understand the feeling behind it.
So what is the feeling?
Did means this already happened. It's finished. We're looking back. Like, Jamie, did you eat breakfast today?
Yes, I did.
Simple. Did you sleep well last night?
Honestly? No, I didn't.
Oh no. Okay, we'll talk about that later. But see, no grammar panic there. Just a feeling. Something happened yesterday. Something finished. That's did.
And here's the big mistake people make. Did you went there?
Oh yes, very common.
But it should be, did you go there?
Because did already handles the past. You don't need to change the verb too. Did is doing all the heavy lifting.
Did is the one doing all the work.
All the work. The verb just stays in its simple form. Did you go? Did you eat? Did you sleep? Nice and clean.
Okay, picture this. Two friends, morning. One of them looks a little rough. And the other one asks, did you finish your homework last night? And the other one goes, no, I didn't. I watched movies instead.
So real. That is such a real conversation.
That's English in real life.
And here's what I love about did. It can carry so much emotion. Like, think about this question. Did you like English class when you were a kid?
Oh, that one made me think for a second.
Right? Because it's not just grammar, it's a memory. Maybe you say, no, I didn't. And that's okay. That's honest.
And honest English is powerful English.
It really is. You can say, I didn't understand English before. That sentence is not weak. That sentence is brave. Because it shows where you were, and where you are now is different.
Exactly. Did shows the journey.
Okay, so now we have all three. Do, does, did. And here's where it gets really interesting. Because a lot of learners understand each one separately, but when they're actually speaking,
Everything mixes together, the brain freezes, the mouth doesn't move.
yes, that moment. You know the words, but you can't get them out. So let's fix that. Jamie, I'm going to ask you two questions, almost the same, but not quite.
Okay, go.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do.
Did you drink coffee yesterday?
Yes, I did. Oh, same topic, different time.
Exactly. Same topic, different time. And the word changes automatically. That's the secret. You're not choosing based on grammar rules. You're choosing based on time. Is this happening now or in general? Do, does. Is this already finished? Did.
That's it. That is literally it. Print that out. Put it on your wall.
Wallpaper it. Okay, let's do a little scenario. You wake up late, you're rushing, your friend sees you and asks, do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do, usually.
And then your friend looks at your face and goes, did you eat breakfast today?
No, I didn't. No time.
Same life, same person, different time. That's real English. Okay, let's talk about something that confuses a lot of people. Short answers and negative sentences.
Oh yes, this is so important because some learners think short answers are boring, like they feel like they should say more.
But actually, short answers are super confident. They're clear. They're so clear. Listen to these. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, she does. No, he doesn't. Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Clean, direct, confident.
That's what confident English sounds like. Not long, complicated sentences, just clear answers. And here's a funny thing, Jamie. Have you noticed this? When learners get nervous, sometimes they say yes to everything.
Oh my gosh, yes, even when the question is negative.
Did you not understand? Yes. And you're like, wait, which part is yes?
The panic yes.
The panic yes. And that's okay. It really is. Confidence comes with practice. But the more you practice these short answers, the more natural it becomes. Okay, let's do a quick practice round. Laura asks, I answer.
Okay, ready?
Did you call your friend yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you feel nervous before this episode?
No, I didn't. Okay, maybe a little.
Honest answer. Did you give up when English got hard?
No, I didn't.
Good. And listeners, answer those in your head too. No rush, just feel the pattern.
Okay, I want to do something fun. Let's build a tiny story using all three words.
Oh, I love this. Let's go.
Okay, there's a woman named Sarah. She's learning English right now. So, does Sarah make mistakes?
Yes, she does. All the time.
Does she give up?
No, she doesn't. She keeps going.
Now, think about last year. Did Sarah make mistakes last year?
Yes, she did.
Did she understand everything?
No, she didn't. But does that mean she failed?
No, it doesn't.
See? That last sentence changes everything. Sarah didn't fail. Sarah grew. And did helped us see that growth.
That's the beautiful thing about these three words. They don't just show grammar, they show time, they show progress.
They show your journey. And I think that's why learning did feels a little emotional sometimes.
Because it lets you talk about before and after.
Before and after. Like, I didn't understand English before. Versus, I don't understand English. Feel the difference?
The first one has hope in it.
So much hope. Because before means things changed, and they can keep changing.
Okay, Laura, I want to share a little trick for anyone who still feels like they might freeze up.
Yes, share it.
So before you speak, just ask yourself one silent question. Is this about right now or in general, or is this about something already finished?
That's it. That's the whole trick.
If it's general or right now, do or does. If it's finished, did. Your mouth will follow your mind.
I love that. Your mouth will follow your mind. Because honestly, when you're speaking, you don't have time for grammar rules. You only have time for feeling.
Right now or before. That's all you need.
That is all you need. And here's something I want every listener to try. Talk to yourself in English. Seriously. Ask yourself simple questions throughout your day. Do I understand this? Did I practice today? Does this make sense?
It feels silly at first.
It feels so silly, but then it becomes natural, and that's when speaking starts to flow.
Confidence training.
Confidence training. Okay, let's put it all together in one real conversation. Jamie, let's role play. You're a new coworker. I'm meeting you for the first time.
Oh, I love a good role play. Let's go.
Do you work in this department?
Yes, I do. I just started last week.
Oh, nice. Did you work somewhere else before?
Yes, I did. I was at a different company for 2 years.
Oh, interesting. Does your manager here seem nice?
Yes, she does. Very helpful, actually.
Did she give you a good introduction?
Yes, she did. I feel pretty settled already.
See? Did you notice how naturally those three words just moved in and out?
Nobody stopped, nobody panicked. It just flowed.
That's what we want, that flow. And listeners, you can do this. Practice conversations like this with a friend, with yourself, even just in your head. The more you do it, the less you have to think about it.
And the less you think, the more naturally you speak.
Exactly. All right, let's bring everything home. Quick recap.
Do for everyday habits in general life. Do you wake up early? Yes, I do.
Does for he, she, it. Same idea, different person. Does she study every day? Yes, she does.
Did for the past, something finished. Did you practice today? No, I didn't.
And that small choice between them, it's not about rules, it's about time.
And here's what I really want you to take away from today. These three words, they're not just grammar. They're how you talk about your habits, your memories, your growth.
I didn't speak English well before. That sentence has hope in it.
So much hope. And that hope is what keeps you going.
You don't need perfect English. You need honest English, clear English.
Slow, clear, honest. That's always enough.
Always enough.
Okay, listeners, here's your little challenge for today. Sometime today, ask yourself 3 questions. Do I enjoy learning English? Did this episode help me? Does English feel a little less scary now?
And if even one answer is yes, that's a win.
That is absolutely a win. And hey, if this episode was helpful, share it with someone who's working on their English. Leave us a comment. We genuinely read every single one. And hit follow so you never miss a new episode.
We'll keep showing up for you.
Every single week. Thank you so much for being here. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
Progress loves patience.
progress loves patience. We'll see you in the next episode of Business English Desk. Take care, everyone.
Bye.